This is problem number 35 from the June 2014 Algebra Regents exam. Caitlin has a movie rental card and it's worth $175. After she rents the first movie, the card's value is now $172.25. After the second movie, it's $169.50. After the third movie, it's $166.75. So it looks like it's decreasing at a constant rate. Like each movie that she's renting is the same price. And that makes sense. Assuming the pattern continues, write an equation to define A of n, the amount of money on the rental card after n rentals. So I think the first thing we need to figure out is how much each movie rental is costing, and that's going to be the difference between each of these. For example, if we did 175 minus 172.25, we'll figure out the price of one movie rental. And if we subtract those, the difference is $275. And we could confirm, just to make sure it is decreasing by $275 every time, we could do 172.25 and find the difference between that and the next one, which is 169.50. And you get the same value, $275. So that kind of confirms that it's decreasing by $2.75 every single rental. So to find the equation, A of n, it starts at $175, right? That's the first amount of money on the rental card. And then we're going to take away $2.75 for every movie rented, and that's represented by our variable n. So that is our equation. That's the first part of the question solved. Now it says, Caitlin rents a movie every Friday night. How many weeks in a row can she afford to rent a movie using her rental card only? In other words, this, which represents the amount of money left on the card, has to always be greater than 0, right? As long as once it reaches 0, then she can't rent any more movies. What we're going to do to figure this out is write it as an inequality. We want 175 minus 275 times n to be greater than 0 or equal to. Okay, so now if we're going to solve this, I could add 275n to both sides. And then we will divide both sides by 275, making those cancel out. And 175 divided by 2.75 is 63.63 repeating. And of course, this is a strange inequality. It's better to write it the other way around. So I'm going to put n on the left-hand side, which is going to reverse the inequality symbol. Okay. So what this is saying is that the number of rentals must be less than or equal to 63.63. So we are talking about movie rentals, so we need to, whole number value. And so that means the number of rentals would have to be 63 because that's the next number that's less than 63.63. So 63 rentals would be how many, that's how many weeks. 63 weeks, because she's renting one per week, she can rent a movie for. Another way of proving that that's the maximum amount is that we could do 175 minus 2.75 times 64, and we would get a negative value or something that's less than 0, and that would be kind of to prove that she can't get more than 63 video rentals. Okay, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.